Remain indoors now. Emergency medical services are in the area. Collis City has issued a hazard. The infection started 1:18 p.m. the 5th of June 2002 from Collis City. If you're infected, call 911. The stages of an infected is blurry vision, stomach pain and teeth groan and swelling. If you see a puddle or some weird liquid, avoid it and do not touch it. Lock all windows and doors and remain indoors. If you see someone that does not feel good, avoid them and call 911. If you're in a suburb area, do not go outside of your neighborhood. Prepare yourselves, as police is rarely seen in neighborhoods. Military may get you evacuated out of the neighborhood. If you are in a city, stay indoors until police will give you further instructions. Radio cell phones may be out of service. Remain calm and do not help the infected. This is a serious hazard. Wait until further instructions.